Hello students, good afternoon everybody. This is Swapna, Mathematics faculty from EDUHUNT IIT and NEET Academy. In the last session, we have discussed about the concept of arithmetic progressions, and we have also seen the progressions problems which is related to worksheet number 2 from our material, right? So today's session we are going to discuss some more problems related to arithmetic progression. So let's begin the problem. Okay, so here comes the first problem of our today's session. So what is the question? Please read out the question. If the sum of n terms of an arithmetic sequence. So what is the question? If the sum of n terms of an arithmetic sequence is given by Sn is equal to n into 5n minus 3. So what is given? Which is given like sum of n terms, which is usually represented with the Sn. Do you remember? Sum of n terms represented with Sn, and what is the formula? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the sum of n terms in an arithmetic progression. Okay. Chalo. So which is given? This is given. How much it is given? N into 5n minus 3. Okay. Okay. Then the pth term. So what you need to find? Tp. Pth term is nothing but Tp. Correct? If it is nth term, you will represent with the Tn. Similarly, if it is pth term, you will represent with the Tp. So first, let me calculate Tn so that you will be knowing the value of Tp. Okay. So what is the formula of Tn? Tell me. Tn. How you will represent Tn? A plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula of Tn. Correct? Yes or no? And also, I told you one logic, but here we don't have any terms. Of course, Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. But in this problem, we do not have any terms. Correct? We don't know the value of first term, common difference. So, in this case, we cannot able to find the value of Tn. Then how to find out the value of Tn? Anybody knows this? Here, if you have terms of an AP, you can easily find out like a plus n minus 1 into d. But here we don't have anything like any terms of an AP. But still you need to find out the value of Tn, then only you can able to find out Tn minus Tp value. How? That is what I am asking you. And given hint is Sn is equal to n into 5n minus 3. Before solving this, I always start some example to understand clearly, right? So let me take a terms 3, 6, 9, 12. These are the terms of AP, example problem. Correct? Yes or no? Because the common difference is 3, here you are clearly aware. Right. What are the sum of n terms? Tell me. If you sum of n terms means S4. So what is S4 here? You need to add all the terms. Do you remember? Sn represents adding all the terms of an given term in a sequence. So 3 plus 6, 9. 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 12, 30. Correct? And what is Sn minus 1? Sn minus 1 is S3. 4 minus 1 is S3. So add first 3 terms. 3 plus 6 is how much? 9. 9 plus 9 is how much? 18. If I want to find out the value of Tn, so Tn is equal to T4. As per this example, what is T4? It is 12. Correct? What I mean to say is, this 12 how you are getting? If you subtract 30 minus 18, you will be getting 12. Am I correct? If you subtract 30 minus 18, you will be getting the value called 12. Yes or no? So what I mean to say is, for suppose if you want to get Tn in the place of n, right? So subtract these. That means if you subtract Sn and Sn minus 1, you will get the value of Tn. From this example only, please observe. Did you understand? If you want 12, how you are getting 30 minus 12? Tn. Similarly, Tn is equal to Sn minus 1. Do you understand? If you do not have given the terms of an AP, but still if you have the value called Sn, in that case, also you can find out the value of Tn. And what is the formula? Sn minus 1. Did you understand? Chalo. So Tn is equals to Sn minus 1. Correct. So Tn is equal to, what is Sn? Which is already given. What is the value? N into 5n minus 3 minus, what is Sn minus 1? You need to replace n minus 1 in the place of n, correct? So n minus 1 into bracket open 5 into n minus 1 and this is minus 3 bracket close. Did you understand? Yeah. So simplify this. N into n is 5n square minus 3n minus n, and this is minus of minus plus 1, correct? Minus n plus 1 into, this is 5 into n, 5n minus 5, and this is minus 3, correct? 5n square minus 3n minus n, and this is plus 1 into 5n minus 5 minus 3 is minus 8, correct? So replace this 5n square minus 3n minus n. So this is minus 3n, I have to keep because I need to multiply this with this, right, first. So minus n into plus 5n, which is how much? Minus 5n square, correct? Minus n into minus 8, which is how much? Plus 8n, correct? So 1 into 5n is plus 5n and this is minus 8. Please simplify this. Plus 5n square minus 5n square will get cancelled. 8 plus 5 is 13. 13 minus 3 is 10. 10n minus 8. 10n minus 8. So what is the formula? What is the value you got? Tn is equal to 10n minus 8. Take 2 common from this. If I take 2 common, I'll be getting 5n minus 4. This is the value of Tn. But what I need to find out? I need to find out the value of Tp. Means in the place of n, you need to replace it with the P. So Tp is equal to 2 into 5 times of P minus 4, which is clearly visible in the option C. Did you understand? Which is clearly visible in the option C. This is what our answer is. A very simple question. What did you notice from this question? If you have a terms of an AP, you can simply find out the value of Tn by finding A plus n minus 1 into D. That's not a big deal. But here, you don't have given any terms of an AP. In that case, I am just finding the value of Tn. What is the formula? Sn minus Sn minus 1. Whenever you have the sum of n terms of an given AP. Did you understand with this problem? Is it clear? Chalo, let's move to the next question. So what is my next question? Please read out it here. The first term of an AP is equals to 12. So what is given in the question? The first term of an AP, which is equal to 12. That means we can write like A is equal to 12. Right? Okay. The number of terms is 15. So number of terms n is equal to 15 and their sum is 390. So sum means Sn. Sum of first 15 terms, S15 is given as 390. Correct? Okay. The common difference D here they were asking you about. So a very simple calculation. This is given. Okay. So let me find out the value. What is Sn formula? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Correct? Yes or no? So what is Sn? Sn is given like 390 is equal to 15 by 2 into 2 times of what is A? A is 12. 12 plus 15 minus 1 is 14 and D here unknown. So 14D, correct? So 390 is equal to 15 by 2. Take 2 common from this. What will be left over? 12 plus 14. So which is 7D. Cancel. So take cancel 2 and 2. What will be left over? Cancel 2 and 2. 390 is equal to 15 into 12 plus 15 into 7D. Correct? 390 is equal to 15 12s is how much? Tell me. 15 12s is 180 and 15 into 7 is 105D. So what is 390 minus 80? Tell me. 390 transform 180 to that side. It will become 105D. 0, 9 minus 8 is 1, 3 minus 1 is 2. Right, 210 is equal to 105D. correct? So D is equal to 210 by 105. So in which table it is going? Please check it out. I guess 105 into twice, 2 times. 2 5 is 10, 0, and this is 1, 2. Yes, cancel this both. D common difference, D is equals to 2. So what is the answer? Option D is equal to 2. Am I clear with this question? Understood? Yeah. Can I get back to the next one? Chalo. We'll be getting back to the next question. Yes. The ratio of the sum of n terms of two APs is given as 3n minus 13 and what is the other one? Is to 5n plus 21. Here you have two APs. Let the first AP is equals to some series A1. It is first term which is given. Let me take, you represent with A1 and the second AP is equal to A2. So what is the given? They gave A1 by A2 is equal to how much? 3n minus 13 upon 5n plus 21. So this is the ratio of two APs you have. Fine. Then the ratio of 24th of their terms is equal to what? Right? 24 terms of their equal to what? So they have given you very proper question like the ratio of sum of the n terms of AP. Right? Sum of n terms of AP which is equal to A1. So here what is sum of n terms of an AP formula? N by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Correct? Yes or no? So just we will write down here A1 represents first term, first AP sequence, n by 2 into 2A. N terms is common, 2A1. A1 means what? First term in the first AP. 2A1 n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D1. Okay. Divided by n by 2. Here also you are taking for same number of n terms. N by 2 into 2A2, where A2 represents the first term in the second AP. N minus 1 into common difference D2 is equal to how much? 3n minus 13 upon 5n plus 21. Correct? 5n plus 21. So what I am doing here, I am just cancelling n by 2, n by 2. Next, what you will be left over with? 2a plus n minus 1 into D1, A1. And 2a2 plus n minus 1 into D2 is equals to 3n minus 13 upon 5n plus 21. So let's compare these both equations. So how do you compare these both equations? So just multiply here 2a plus n D1 minus what is this? This is D1, correct? 2a plus n D1, just I am multiplying this with this, right? 3n minus 13 and this will also equal to 2a2 plus n D2, multiply these both, minus D2 divided by 5n plus 21. In order to find out the 24th term find out cheyalante మీ దగ్గర A1 value ఉండాలి, D1 value undali. N elago 24 kabatti. So our target is to find out A1, D1, A2, D2. Correct? So let's compare. We have N into D1 is equal to 3N. On comparing, let's compare the equations. What you'll have? N D1 is equal to N then only 3N. So just cancel N on both sides. We have D1 is equal to 3. Also, we have 2A1 minus D1 constants. 2A1 minus D1 is equal to how much? Minus 13. So, we also have D1 is equal to minus 3, right? So, 2A1 is equal to minus 3, minus 13 plus 3, which is equal to minus 10. And A1 is equal to minus 5. We have D1 is equal to 3 and A1 is equals to minus 5. Did you understand? Please observe up to this whatever I have discussed. Please observe. D1 is equal to minus 3 and this one is equal to this. So also we need to find out the value of A2 and D2. Right. So what I need to find, please compare again. ND2 is equals to ND2 is equal to 5N, cancel. D2 is equal to 5 over here. Right. Similarly, 2E2 minus D2 is equal to how much? It's equal to 21. So 2E2 D2 is equal to minus 5, which is equal to 21. So transform 5 to that side. 21 plus 5 is how much? 26. So A2 value is how much? 13. So A2 value is how much? 13. So what I need to find out? I need to find out their 24th terms ratios. Correct? So 24th term ratios means at the place of n, I need to substitute 24. What I am doing? I need to find out T24 of first AP. So how should I have to do? T24 is equal to A plus N minus A1 plus N minus 1 into D1. So this is the first, I am finding 24th term of first AP first. Okay. So what is A1? A1 is equal to minus 5. N is 24 minus 1 is 23. Correct. And what is D1? D1 is equal to 3. So please calculate minus 5. 23 3 is how much? 69. 23 into 3 is how much? 69. So 69 minus 5, which is how much? 64. Am I clear up to this? So the same T24 I also need to calculate in the second AP. So what is second AP formula? A2 plus N minus 1 into common difference is D2. Correct. So what is the value of A2 we have here? I just find out A2 is 13. 13 plus 23 into what is D2? D2 is 5. So 23 into 5 is how much? Tell me. 3 5 is 15. 3 2s, 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. 13 plus 115. Correct? So 115 plus 13 is 128. I got the 24th terms of first AP as well as second AP. So what I need to find? I need to find the common ratios of T24 of first term and T24 of first AP and second AP. Did you clear? First AP and second AP. So what I am going to get from here? First AP I got 64 and second AP I am getting 128. Please cancel off 1 times 2 times. So 1:2 will be your answer. Did you understand? T24th term I am calculating here. That means I am finding A1, D1, A2, D2. A1, D1 of the same number of n terms I am finding Sn because they have given Sn. Similarly, I am also calculating A2 and D2. I am getting T24 of the first AP, T24 of the second AP. And I'm just calculating the ratio. 64 is to 1 by 128. 1 times 2 times. So what is the ratio? Which is answer 1/2. I hope everybody clear with the session. So in the next problem, we are going to discuss about the other problems. Please watch the video. Right? Thank you. Bye-bye.